that deal will get cancelled. So instead of going for that, if India would have invested that money on creating small dam, I think that would be much better than it.
I got your point. Um, Actually, there are two different issues. One is electricity. I told you regarding growth rates, electricity growth and all. Now, if you do thermal plants and hydro plants, there is hardly any hydro plant which is more than 40 megawatt. Now, our deficit is about 15,000 megawatt, which in 2012 is to be going to be 1 lakh megawatt. See the deficit. Now, one nuclear plant can install 2000 megawatt of energy. So that's the difference I told you. And there are many more problems, like you can't order a turbine just now. अभी लगा हमको कल टर्बाइन बैठना है हाइड्रो प्रोजेक्ट में, नहीं कर सकते. टाइम फेज, इफ यू आर गोइंग टू गो इन इलेक्ट्रिसिटी, उसका एक डैम कितना देगा, 40 मेगावाट देगा, फिर डैम कितना करना पड़ेगा. इट्स अ ह्यूज इशू, लाइक यू कांट डेल्ट इट विथ वन नाइट. अगर करना है तो वी हैव टू टारगेट 2024. तो ये इशू के लिए this is we have gone for this option, I think so. And number two is, when we think of environment, actually मैं उस पे भी lecture, I was thinking of just giving a lecture on environment issue, लेकिन आज क्योंकि उस पे भी मैंने काफी ये किया है. तो if you think in environment point of view, दो चीज है. If you go for like crude oil energy, if you go for say example thermal energy. Now they say in global warming, have you seen the film Inconvenient Truth by Al Gore? Yeah, have you seen it? So 67% of global warming is not due to petrol, diesel or other industrial, just due to coal and burning of coal. So one thing is global warming, and second fear is nuclear waste. I know there is a fear in nuclear waste because in France also they had accident. There was in Chernobyl there was accident. So it can happen such, but we have no other options. कल अगर electricity बंद हो जाए, see if we go for deficit from 15,000 megawatt, now Maharashtra is facing a deficit of 4,000 megawatt. Country is facing a deficit of 15,000 megawatt, and if this deficit goes to 1 lakh megawatt totally our growth rate will be hampered, our industrial growth will be hampered, everything will be hampered. I don't think we'd have good life standards also. तो ये पूरा economy पे ही है. And I will tell you, the real issues are now energy. It's regarding crude oil, it's regarding fertilizer is also energy for food, and electricity. So we have to deal these three energies very professional way, which we did earlier.